US President Donald Trump has claimed that Iran sought a ceasefire in the ongoing conflict, but Iranian officials have rejected the assertion, stating that no such request was made. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said there were no active negotiations with the United States and indicated that Tehran had not responded to a reported proposal from Washington to end the war. He added that while some direct messages had been exchanged with US Envoy Steve Witkoff, there were no grounds for formal talks. Trump stated that any ceasefire consideration would depend on the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, emphasizing its strategic importance. He also suggested that US forces could withdraw from the conflict within weeks, while leaving open the possibility of targeted strikes if required. The US president further claimed that recent military action had significantly weakened Iran's nuclear capabilities and indicated that the war could soon end. He also signaled dissatisfaction with NATO's support and said he was considering a potential withdrawal from the alliance. Meanwhile, Iran's President Masoud Pezeshkian said the country was willing to end the conflict if guarantees were provided to prevent future escalation. Amid the ongoing tensions, explosions were reported in Tehran with air defense systems activated, indicating the conflict may be entering a new phase.